This is really what I want to the pork, you know. Good. Good.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
What's going on, guys? I don't know, it's your boy King, guys. So guys, I want to give a big, huge shout out to the Martin family, guys. And let's go over there and go subscribe, make you know say King and Shay saying, you know, guys. As I say, the Martin family, guys, them are a big supporter, guys. So I want to go over there and go support them to my fans. And as I say, the family, fans, friends. As I say, let's go over there and go support them, guys. Okay, guys. And I want to tell them, say, King and Shay, say, to box them, kick them down and top them down, and them face and them things. As I say, and she are a pretty girl and can get her number too. She give her cell phone.
They're a couple.
She give her cell phone number. And the man give you the number to woman, so you can just go over there and subscribe, see me. Okay, guys, the Martin family, the link will be down below in the description, guys. So go over there and go subscribe to them channel. Subscribe to them channel.
Yeah.
And anyway, guys, here, guys, the merch, guys, the merch is 1 week ahead, guys. The merch is the merch is 1 week ahead, guys. So all of our merch, guys, just leave a thumbs up in the video and let me know what go on. Yeah, them look good, them nice, them pretty. Yeah. Big up to Claudia who are dealing with them for me. Big up to Claudia, the Lewis family, they are dealing with my merch. So big up yourself, guys. You see me, I say, yeah, 100 million times, guys. So see you guys later. I'm out. The Lewis family are dealing with my merch.
The real Lewis family.
So like Mr. Sasha, the real Lewis family, she are dealing with my merch them for me, guys. See you next time, and I'm out. King and the chef cooking today, guys. So I don't know, guys.
And your girl, she's assisting.
And the girl, she's assisting in my videoing.
No.
Videoing. So anyway, guys, I do some a jerk, babes.
Baked chicken.
Baked chicken, guys. So anyway, I cut up the onion. The first thing we cut up already is the onion. This is onion that I cut up right now. See it?
Yeah.
Alright.
I need like a blending spices.
Yeah, Sasha, are you Cho? Yeah, guys.
Here, so me can't talk.
Yeah, anyway, guys, so that onion and thyme in the pot. Now sweet pepper, guys.
This pot. Now blender that
blender. Sweet pepper. Now blender right now, see it? So some boy are going let them can cook, you know. But I show them so they can cook more than them.
Cause you're what?
You're a cooker. So anyway, now guys, I garlic this. You see me I say? Me have onion, sweet pepper, and thyme and garlic. Sasha, go look more too close. This is sweet pepper me put in it already.
Onion, country pepper.
Country pepper, Sasha, this is thick was. Like that, Sasha, don't make mistake all the while. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I put a little tip of water and I catch any flavor, you see me? Yeah, so what happened right now, I'm going to put all purpose. This is all purpose.
Yeah, Maggi all purpose.
You can well season. Go.
Only me if you catch what you're doing is something.
Alright, this is what?
Show me a video and you tell me.
It's like chicken here.
Yeah, chicken.
Yeah, you're right.
You tell me if you go out,
chicken.
you tell me if you come
It's like chicken. I go in there right now, you see me?
Yeah.
I know that in our complaints it's too much season, but I want it spicy. You see me I say? And this is our mixed season. I don't know if you have it over foreign, but we have it in Jamaica here. Yeah, you name mixed season and everything there. You see me I say?
Original mixed season.
Original Jamaican mixed season, guys. So, I'm gonna show you something else. Right now, we have the pork and the chicken in the pot, a scald. I have scald it because I want to get out the little bacteria out and everything there. But not really still, I do it so it can get an easier cook in the oven. Okay, guys. So, right now, just want to do a 20-minute video, I'm on the video short. So right now, guys, this is a blender.
Everybody know blender onion.
No, nobody know blender.
Why not?
Yeah, so where do you go something beat up? You don't know, guys, so I can blend up the vegetable, you see me? The season. Well blend up on them thing, the guys. You see me, I say? Alright, that done blend up already. Right now, guys. Yeah. And this me a bake here. Me a baking at this, so I make rinse it out.
Like turn it down.
Rinse it out and then thing there, you see me? Yeah. Rinse it out and then thing there. Then use the butter. Hold on. And the butter in there. You know if you rub butter like when you go in the oven, the butter melt out and circulate what go on in there.
What butter go do circulate what go on in there?
The butter go in the pan.
We should understand.
No, so say butter in when it start melt babes, the butter start
Me understand your
circulate
but
all about in the pan. Where if you go?
yeah.
Understand me? Yeah. But there's put me on fire, butter there don't know.
You never tell me nothing.
So anyway, guys, yes, so now I deal with the thing right now. You see me? Yeah, deal with the thing right Jamaican way. Yeah. So that's
Yo.
now. The butter in there now and thing. So wash me hand now. On next 5 or 10 more minutes for the start boil up for it just start change and get a little white color. Yeah, so 5 more minutes and then we get back to you guys. Now,
Chef King.
the Dan Dog and Chef. So we get back to you guys, let you know what's going on. So I go outside, so see them guys later. Okay, what's going on, guys? You don't know, see, just done cooking now. You done cook, Scarlet. Yeah, make sure you say you well drain off on them thing there, guys. You see me I say? You well drain off on them thing there. So yeah, put in the pot first. You see me I say? Well,
So where pork them?
which pork? No rest of the pork. Just show you maybe. So just stab it up and then they make. When you stab it up, you leave you hold them.
What that can't do?
You leave you if you what they call it again?
I know what you tell me.
The season.
Or your season go in.
Yeah, the season can go in there and them thing there. Yeah, so you don't know guys, the steels have been up and put them long time and wait. So you have to do a thing like this and make sure say everything fully seasoned up on them thing there, you see it? Yeah man. Yeah guys. Look upon him. I got show some in I say you know. Yeah.
So I never think of
You hold him?
it's something there that put in and throw it on it.
No sir.
So you're not sure that the seasoning.
Of course. Yeah guys, so
I waste.
I'm not waste nothing sachet. Waste how you miss me go waste babes. Watch it now. Well. Take him now.
Season blend up something nice though.
Yeah guys. Placing right here. You see me I say?
And the porks now.
The pokes now. Going to the season. Yeah, when I season them, see me. You see me I say? So they can soak in there. You see me I say? And cut it up say well soak in there.
Yeah, see Chef Tony what him ugly face.
So Neil while meanwhile in a oven, we are gonna use the I use the same vegetable mix the season. I put on him same way so you can keep on soaking it same way. You see what I say? Yeah.
Yeah, Tony said this a piece of him. Girl, none of pork enough for nobody. But no pork not here. No pork. You see? Only last time, only do this other night, guys, and it's nice. So we have to video it this time, I'ma do it. Cause it's sick with face. What's your face?
Kaya was your real chef.
Oh.
Real chef.
I wonder if I know say I bring him. Guys, I bring him in a cooking business, you know? Yeah. Only can make this turn a career, you know? So, I bring him.
Yeah, bring him.
Don't you say I bring him?
Yeah, bring this.
Eh?
Yeah, bring this.
What you?
Yeah, bring me but I'm your teacher.
Oh God.
Yeah, it's me the season one, babes.
Yeah, me smell it, man.
Wow.
See what I put down now? Look at this, guys. Look at the layout in this so.
Yeah.
It's nice.
The phone turn on, not you? Alright, guys, so right now, see the oven here. Oven open. So just about look at the babes. So right now, let's put him in the oven. I light it first, right?
No, put it in it.
Alright. Pass give me the now.
Yeah, man.
Here guys, right now guys, see it in the oven now. I that light it? I that light it? That is lighted?
Yeah, I see.
Alright guys, so
Well, wait, then only
the oven shit. The oven shit right now.
Something turn on or something.
I don't know such a I don't know about the electric sitting there.
Mix. Right.
What are you doing?
Start.
Alright, so like a few minutes, you light it. Come on guys. So anyway guys, just you showing how I go and look more. She show you over there so.
No. The chef is back.
Sure.
Sure.
Run a test on him and now I saw I go on team and no.
Smell nice. And do a little sprinkling.
Keep him seasoned.
And moist.
Watch it. I'm back. This with it. So flip him and turn him, you know. Yeah.
Wish. Jamie, excuse. Jamie. Don't go there, sir boy. Yes. Don't go there now, Wishy. Go on out on the veranda. Go on. The chef is at work, guys. I'm telling you if last time when only do this.
The first time I do it.
First time I ever bake a chicken. Okay, guys, for first time only ever bake a chicken in my life. It turned out good. Everybody walks it off, even my father. Especially the pork. Look at that, guys. Those 4 pieces right there is the pork. And that's the chicken.
Alright.
Wait.
Alright, now so I'm gonna put it back
In the oven.
in the oven. Yeah. Yeah guys, in the oven, I get up and down, you know?
Now the oven and get what?
Up and down. So as you done cook guys, I'm making you know what I go on again. So see you guys later. I'm out.
Alright.
I'm up on me, I do too, you know. Just want to turn them out and get 5 more minutes. minutes in. 5 more minutes more get in. Yeah guys, so you don't know. Chicken for sale and pork. Yeah. You like well, babes? Alright. Want to take a thumbnail, take a thumbnail. So wow. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Yeah, big spank leg on the thigh, you know? Jesus. Jesus Christ, Brittany. Some girl can't cook like them husband, no? Ay, hot. Some social distance. Comme ça, chez social, il faut que stay over here. Il faut que stay over and chicken stay over. Social distance. You know, Andrew will say social distance. Pork and chicken can't in one place. The true Brittany. Social distance. Social distance. Look at that.
Turn off the fire again, you see.
Social distance. Pork over here, son. Chicken turn over there. Yeah. Anyway, guys, want to tell me how I like this? You see me, I say? Oh man. Oh man. Alright guys, so anyway, I'm gonna do my mukbang now. I'm gonna taste it. Right now, shake kinda up our reason. So what I'm gonna do right now, guys, I'm gonna just taste a piece of the chicken with the gravy oil in here. Oh my god. It's so fabulous. So right now, I'm gonna taste this pork. This is really what I want to the pork, you know. Good. Good. Guys, if you guys only could just taste this cooking, guys. Oh my god. The recipe here, I think I want to do the recipe here. So okay guys, now let's see if you hold on. We do want to do a mukbang, but yeah, we can't do a mukbang because current gone. So we can't do a mukbang, so still everything in between. Yeah.